Welcome back to a special police case file. From holiday speed runs and dark alleys with no escape to the moment the law tightens its grip, every second becomes a line between control and collapse. Watch closely, because some truths only surface when the sirens begin to scream. The 25th of December, 2023, Atlanta, GA. A crazy police chase erupts. "Pull over now," officers shout. Instead of stopping, the suspect throttles up and flees, pushing the tension higher by the second. The suspect runs a red light and slams into the front of a white car. "Get down!" police yell. The chase ends in handcuffs, a hard lesson on the cost of reckless driving.
Vaza, vai lá. Beleza, chefe, vira ele aí.
On the 4th of July 2024, in Conway, Arkansas, on Independence Day, a crazy police chase erupted when Trooper Ronald Grace B. spotted a suspect riding a Ducati Panigale V4 on I-40, accelerating to 150 miles per hour and weaving through heavy traffic, creating a serious public safety hazard.
Definitely get back on.
At Highway 25, the suspect braked hard, lost control, and crashed directly in front of the patrol car. Christopher Gaylor, 38, was subdued and arrested for felony fleeing, reckless driving, and driving on a suspended license, paying a heavy price for a reckless rush.
10-4, Highway 25 in Friendship.
Hands!
Foi tentar fazer a curva e bateu no carro. Poderia...
The 13th of February 2024, Nevada. A Kawasaki Ninja slices through the air, triggering a crazy police chase. Does he really think he can outrun the law?
Não se esqueça de se inscrever no canal e ativar as notificações para não perder nenhum vídeo.
The suspect weaves wildly. Over the radio, speed over 100 miles per hour, extremely dangerous. The streets are being turned into a high-risk situation. The suspect recklessly dives into a confined and narrow alleyway, hoping to shake police. But in such a tight space, every mistake is magnified. The illusion of control quickly collapses under mounting pressure. A near head-on collision with a black passenger car. Risking a life just to dodge a ticket, the adrenaline fades and panic starts to take control. He takes a corner too hard, loses traction, and is thrown clear. Officers rush in. Get on the ground now. Game over.
Para! Parou! Você vai tomar! Deita! Deita no chão! Deita no chão! Vira de costa! Vira de costa! Vira de costa!
Under Nevada law, NRS 484B 550, fleeing is a felony punishable by 1-6 years in prison and fines up to $5,000. Lost bike, lost freedom, too high a price. On the 4th of March 2023, in Camden, Arkansas, Trooper Harper stopped a Honda with no license plates. Curtis Hicks appeared cooperative, but he was already planning a crazy police chase.
And you don't have no paperwork on the bike?
No, sir.
Not
I'm
with
buying
you?
it from my sister.
Your sister?
I ain't got it tagged.
All right.
And
Yeah. No, you're good. Can you?
I really need it.
You know you don't have a motorcycle's endorsement, right?
Kinda, but I wasn't sure I've had it before. But this one I was like 16, 17.
Yeah, it's not. You don't have one right now, so do you know somebody who does?
Yeah, I know a few people.
Do you have a cell phone?
Not a working one, no. But it'd be fine.
Buddies?
You know how much he charges? The cheapest one would be nice.
Okay.
I'm not sure who's cheapest.
Can you hit the kickstand on there and just come back here for a second?
As the trooper stepped back, Hicks suddenly took off. He thought his small bike was a rocket. A bad move. No one can outrun the radio or the consequences.
F21 Ward, 1037.
10-4. What's your speed? Original stop.
No tag, no insurance, no motorcycle endorsement. Turning right on to 79, headed north. He's driving in the...
Extremely reckless behavior. He drove the wrong way down Highway 79 for 12 miles. Traffic is heavy, the trooper shouted, as innocent lives were put at risk just to dodge a ticket.
And I don't know if you have one here to go by. For me, 1037. Put that motorcycle driver headed north on 79.
CFS comments at.
He's gotten out of the closing lane. He's going to be in the steering lane. Speeds are at 58.
CFS comments at.
It is. What's your truck? Definitely, you know who he is.
I don't know him personally. I got his information.
Just need to tell him, he advised he was in a pursuit with a motorcycle.
You gave me a name and date of birth.
Well, I got 79 northbound. I was just trying to better location. I'm headed his direction.
Still 79 northbound. Here, Washita 88.
Trooper Harper terminated the pursuit for safety, but Hicks didn't get away. Deputies were waiting ahead. He ran out of road and out of luck. On the 3rd of March 2018 in Arizona, the Arizona Department of Public Safety, AZDPS, launched a crazy police chase after spotting a suspicious motorcycle. The suspect was riding a Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special, unaware a high-speed battle was about to erupt. The suspect darts into narrow, steep, and dark alleys, with U.S. police close behind. "Pull over now" echoes through the tight urban space, where even the smallest mistake can be critical. Searching for an escape, the suspect accelerates on slick pavement, pushing the risk to the limit. Radio warnings about oncoming traffic intensify as officers maintain total focus to stay in pursuit. Attempting a turnaround, the suspect loses control and crashes, then is taken into custody on the spot. The 8-year-old admits he fled because he had no license. A reckless choice with a heavy price.
Vai,